Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone, this one, to LG V60 ThinQ, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, right here, and you have to download the application named CLONEit. You have to do on the both smartphones, and if you do, just open this application, click Sender on the Android smartphone and Resaver on your LG V60. Right now, just wait a little bit. Click on the Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input password manually. I'm going to scan QR code. Accept the request on your Android phone, and if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. In my case, there's only an example, so I'm going for the details right here. And now I send music. So I'm going right now and select all of these things, and I will select 3 songs, then click on the start, tap on the OK. And it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.